If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I try to microwave at least one produce item per season. That's why I'm doing this pomelo. If you remember, every citrus fruit I've done so far has been boring as hell. But these things have a really thick skin, so it should produce some amazing results. Well, that did about what I expected it to. That's the last produce item I'm ever going to do, most likely. Let's examine this post-product. At least it smells nice, unlike most of the things I microwave. So my rating on this is, yeah, it's pretty safe to do at home.